for her keynote address and the first toast of the evening.
Your Highness, the Head of State and Most Skillful, Member of the Council of Deputies, Cabinet Ministers, Your Excellency Ambassador Terusawa Kenichi, members of the Diplomatic Corps, guests, ladies and gentlemen. Tarofa and pleasant greetings to you all this evening. I am sorry, Ambassador, my Japanese is not good as your Samoan. So we'll have to do the second best thing and do this speech in English. It is a pleasure to be here tonight on behalf of the government and people of Samoa to farewell the Ambassador of Japan, His Excellency Terusawa Kenichi. Excellency, your tenure as Ambassador of Japan to Samoa for 2 years, even though short, has been impactful because you have worked persistently to enhance and strengthen our bilateral relations. Samoa has continued to benefit significantly through Japan's development cooperation programs, through its grassroots program for community development, the Economic and Social Development Program, and through grant aid and technical cooperation to address needs in the education, health, environment, and transport sectors. We do recall that when you arrived in the midst of the measles epidemic in 2019, you were instrumental in quickly deploying a medical team from Japan together with supplies to support our national emergency response. You continued up to the present time to find and leverage support for the extensive follow-up work post-measles. Under Japan's new Pacific Bond, pledged at the 9th Pacific Island Leaders Meeting, Japan provided 112,000 doses of the Oxford AstraZeneca COVID-19 vaccine, which ensured Samoa's full and ready access to vaccines for its eligible population and added impetus to speed up the rollout of our vaccination programs. With the focus on health, Japan provided assistance through the provision of dental equipment as well as negative pressure units to ensure the quality delivery of health and medical services across Samoa. Japan's grassroots scheme provides not only the outreach of development assistance to communities, but also enhanced visibility for Japan's assistance, particularly in the rural areas. Recently, we had witnessed the handover of the Manono Wharf Terminal building and the various primary school projects in a number of villages in both Upolu and Savai. On your departure, we would like to reassure you that in due time, there will be a better reflection of and receptivity of Japan's strategic framework of engagement in the region in much the same way that Pacific countries are taking measured steps to consider similar approaches by the development partners in the region. Samoa has also benefited from Japan's contribution to regional projects delivered through the multilateral system. These are but a few highlights of your great contribution to a growing, genuine, and durable partnership between our two countries. I would like to express my sincere appreciation of your efforts and significant achievements during your short tenure in Samoa. I hope you have enjoyed your time in Samoa and that upon your return to Japan, you will continue to promote the close relations that exists between our two countries. I wish you every success in the next chapter of your life and your future endeavors. Ladies and gentlemen, could I invite you all to charge your glasses and please be upstanding and join me in a toast. To the good health of His Excellency, Terasawa Kenichi, the Ambassador of Japan, and to the continued friendly relations between the people of Samoa and Japan, Iapani. And one last thing, Ambassador. You are the first ambassador to leave since I became leader and Minister for Foreign Affairs. I would like to mark that occasion by presenting you a personal gift. I'm sure you've received a lot of carnivals. So this is a personal gift, Ambassador. It's a wooden pillow. I know you have something similar in Japan, so this could be a Samoan version. And when you're resting at the end of the day in your tatami room, you might remember us as you rest on the ali. This is what we call this. Have a safe journey.